Beautiful moving people, welcome back to a new video. We've been parked in Ronda for a couple of days and it's time to move on for the journey that we want to be going on today, which is visiting the three embalses, the three dams, which the idea is to spend some days there and then move up to this. I will not say now but enjoy the view for a sec. Didn't film a video in the city for you. Was like a kind of working days for me. If you like to see a video of Ronda, the city, and what there is to do, or any other city, let me know in the comments. I would gladly make one, or two, or three. Also just got the video done that came out a couple of weeks back. You can link it here, where we build some stuff inside Helix. Stopped at the shop to get some snacks for the way. Okay, dialing in the location. It's about 55 kilometers and let's go. Okay, just stop for a sec to make a break, have a snack, and also I spotted this and got that also done. Maybe we can fly the drone as well, because this landscape is kind of love it. We're like driving down to the valley, I guess, in a way. Check that out. Beautiful, no? Get some aerials. Friends of the way, we changed the... I have to make this, it is not too thick. So we changed the size of the road. As you see, we made some pictures. And let's get back on the road. Friends of the way, we made it. We came to the spot. I've been also last year here and it's super nice and tranquil, but last year I had like a kind of paranoia that there is no internet here. So I kind of drove off but there is like full reception. I don't know what's going on with me. Anyways, paranoia. Yo, so I can do the work as well, the cuspos, and yeah, chill here for the next day. It's nice. Check this out. Baby Helix is back there, and maybe let us fly the drone. Well, that's about it. That's the beautiful spot, and there are like many around here. Up there is another one. Down here there are other people like parked up, and yeah. So I'll be seeing you in a couple of days to go and check out the Tres Embalses. And for the other thing, you will see. Okie doke. See you in a bit. Friends of the way, it's been a couple of days or a bit more, but for sure since a couple of days it's raining all day long. So yeah, basically sitting here, I took the table off just to have another perspective to the whole situation. Got myself the heating back on to at least dry a bit the dampness, because yeah, yesterday it rained like almost vertically, and I found out that in the front, not only in the front, but there is like a spot where it rained inside. The isolation of the window is a bit chipped off, and it rained through that, through the door inside. And also found out now the past days that it's been raining that my works from a couple of years back, in the back of Helix, on there are like 2-3 spots that are like kind of prepped with silicone that they don't hold that good. So yeah, when it's like raining all day, it gets through. There is also a spot where the how do you say, the Glasfaser, GFK, I'll put it here. Genau, the GFK is like chipped off. It was one time I went to park and I didn't see the height and tack, but now it's coming, so I have to kind of make some maintenances, repairs on this baby. But when it's a bit warmer, not only warmer, when it's dry, so it can like take its time. And been thinking the past couple of days that the adventures we wanted to go on and the things I wanted to show you are not possible, to keep it short. From the one side, it would be going to the Caminito del Rey, which is like here at the three dams. And yeah, with this weather, I don't know. So yeah, we'll leave that for another moment. I'll be passing around this area in like a couple of weeks' time, so maybe we can do that then. And yeah, some drone shots of the three dams with this weather, also not nice. Anyways, long story short, I'm going to drink my coffee, morning coffee, and finish this video here. I hope you at least enjoyed the way we took from Ronda to here. If you want to know where the three dams are, let me know in the comments, or search for the three dams or El Chorro. It's a village here near the dams. And yeah, with this note, have a good one. I wish you're doing what you are dreaming of and being happy with it. And yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace out and love in.